Hi, my name is Jessica LaGrand, and I am a community health worker at Bronson, and I work for the Bronson Cancer Care Equity Team. Hi there. So in this section, what I'm going to show is an actual given demonstration of how to actually use one of the colon kits that the Bronson Cancer Care Equity Project is providing to members of the Battle Creek community. And a lot of times with these, people are very uncomfortable actually completing the kit, but I want to show just how easy it can be. Though uncomfortable, the end result is going to be much better than not knowing whether or not or where your status is with this colon screening. So one of the first processes, it comes in an envelope. So you would take this paper actually and put it, you can actually, if you have a plastic container that you can sit into your toilet, you can lay, or you can just lay this actual white piece of paper down before you get started. So before you start, you want to take this green tube right here, and there's a place for your name, your date of birth, and the date. It's very important that you fill this out before you actually perform the test. And what happens is, once you have your stool sample ready, then you would simply twist this top off, pull it out, and let's just say your sample is here. It's important when you're doing your sample that you put it down and you twist it once to the left and once to the right. You maybe want to do it again, not a lot, but just to get it down in there and twist really good. And then you're going to pop that right back in to the container. It will already have your name, date, and date of birth. Then there's another piece of plastic. You're going to wrap the actual tube up in the plastic as such. Then there is a self-addressed envelope. You're going to stick this right back in the actual envelope. But before you do that, let me just take this out because it is biohazard. So you're going to want to slip this into the plastic bag first, as such. Put it directly back into the envelope. And again, this is a free self-paid envelope. So then all you would need to do is pull this strip off the back, fold it down, and you can drop it in any mailbox. It could be your home mailbox. You can take it to the post office. This will come to our lab where our clinical team would then look at this and provide you with the status of your test in about 5 to 10 days. Hello, and welcome back. I just want to give thanks to the Burma Center for allowing me the opportunity to come out and talk about early cancer screenings and preventions to the Burmese community. It's so important to know your family history when we're talking about cancer, and to also have a primary care physician who can help you navigate through the cancer screening process. I am so excited that we've got the information out to you. And again, there's going to be contact information put up for both the Battle Creek and Kalamazoo cancer centers, as well as my contact information should you have any additional questions. If you had any questions about the video, you can also comment below, as well as there's going to be contact information for the Burmese community on the screen for you to reach out to as well. Again, thank you for allowing me to share information and education about early cancer screenings and prevention.